Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. You're probably like, girl, what are you doing? I have my hair in a towel. I love these little turby twisty things. I think it's from Aquas, I'm not sure. But I wanted to share with you guys my summer quick, easy blowout for my shorter hair. So I had a couple of requests to do it, not a ton, but I also think hair tutorials are just easy and fun, and I know a lot of people struggle with doing hair. This is not anything revolutionary. This is super simple, really easy, but that's what makes it so practical for me. I'm able to do it often because I know in this summer, a lot of us are in the pool more often. We're outside and sweaty and gross, and I just wanted something that was super quick and easy for short hair. I think sometimes cutting your hair short can be more work. It's kind of weird, you wouldn't think so, but it's true. But I wanted just to share with you my quick and easy summer blowout routine. So let's go ahead and get started. I freshly washed my hair. Let's undo it and put some product on it. So I wash my hair now that it's short, probably about, I don't know, like 3 times a week or so. But I did just do a purple mask, so we're looking really nice and bright. This is what my hair looks like when it first comes out of the towel. I think I do have some natural-ish wave to it, but I don't ever really do anything with it. The first product that I do put on my hair though, and I've been using this for probably about 2 months or so now, it's the Kenra Blow Dry Spray. I love this stuff. First of all, it's an amazing detangler. Like, it's instantly so easy. Makes your hair so soft to brush through it. It adds a lot of shine to your hair without weighing it down or making it greasy. It also cuts the blow dry time like in half. It's pretty awesome. What else does it do? Resist humidity for 28 hours and heat defense up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. So we love that. So I'm gonna remove my rings and then let's go ahead and spray. I don't do a ton. This is kind of a pricey product, but you don't need a lot. And I got just the small one at first to see if I like it. Okay, so that's the full step. And then the second one I do is the thickening spray, but first I go ahead and brush out. I love these wet brushes. If you're not using a wet brush, they're literally amazing. And then you want to obviously start from the bottom and work your way up to prevent as much fallout and snagging and breaking on your hair. I really find that I can't use cream products on my hair because my hair is so fine that it just ends up feeling super weighed down. So if you feel like you have that same problem, try products that are clear. I know that might seem weird, but like I notice a big difference when I use like a cream detangler or a cream leave-in. It's just way too heavy for my hair. So I like to use lightweight mists that are more like liquidy. They just work better for me. Okay, so now that my hair is brushed out, I go in with this Bumble and Bumble thickening spray. I have used this a bunch in the past and then I just stopped using it. So I recently picked it back up and I already have another bottle of it. It's so good. So I go ahead and spray that, really focusing on my roots, but you really can spray it anywhere. If you feel like you have really fine hair, but you don't like the feeling of like mousse in your hair, that's me. So do a couple at the roots and then I do a couple throughout and then brush it through again. Is there any worse feeling than feeling like you have hair on you? I feel like no. Okay, so my hair air dried or like towel dried for a while, but if I'm in a rush, I will blow dry my hair. So I'm gonna take this guy. I have the Dyson, but I honestly use this one way more. I was gifted this Lifen for a partnership with my other channel, my vlog channel, but I'm obsessed with it. All right, so now that my hair is about 95% dry, I'm gonna stop drying it and I just kind of whip it back and forth a couple times to just really get it kind of volumized a little bit at the root. You really want to focus on the roots to make sure that those are the driest, and you can see I already have some volume and fullness to my hair. So what I'm going to use to blow up my hair is probably nothing new. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times. I don't think I've ever done a full video on it before, but it's the Revlon blow dry brush. Now, I have tried this only when I had longer hair for the most part, and then I kind of like put it away because I was doing it really wrong. I was using it on completely wet hair, and trying to blow dry your whole head with this is way too much heat damage for your hair, and just, you lose a lot of hair. So I don't recommend doing that. One of y'all had actually recommended trying it on like pretty much dry hair, and I've noticed a huge difference with that. So I love this thing. I do it on, like I said, there's probably, I don't know, it's pretty dry, but it's not bone dry. So go ahead, and I run this on low, and I'm gonna section off my hair. So I first start by doing the bottom layers. So let's go ahead and clip this up out of my way. I work in, depending on how thick your hair is, I work in bottom section, middle section, and then I do the crown like all together, so it's just a little bit more volume at the roots. So I always do it on low. You see I just have a slight bend, a lot of shine, and bounce to it. So let's go ahead and pull down the next layer. Making sure your hair is super brushed out and not tangly is a really big key with making sure that that brush doesn't gather and collect a bunch of hair. And take down my second half, only leaving a little bit of a crown. Super quick, super easy, voluminous summer blowout. I love it. This whole process, even filming it, only took 15 minutes. So obviously it wouldn't take that long if you weren't filming. All right, so there it is. Voluminous, not too crazy, but some body, some volume, so you can toss it around. Feels so clean, shiny. I love it. So if you have one of these guys and you haven't pulled it out in a while, highly recommend checking it out. You can also, obviously, for more volume, add a roller and let it sit in your hair, but love it. And I love the Kenra and the Bumble and Bumble have really significantly changed the game for my blowouts. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. Also, if there's any other sort of hairstyle tutorial videos that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. It helps me know that you like to continue seeing videos like this. I also have a how I curl my hair, how I do hot rollers, and what else? I don't know. I'll list the hair playlist that I have up in the cards so you can check it out if you're curious. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon.